Investing in a crypto project at launch is one of the best ways to maximize your chances for some huge potential gains. By buying at launch, it means being one of the first people allowed to invest in a project before many other people can and before it hits any exchanges. Ordinarily, to invest in these launches, you have to do so on what's called a launch pad. And the catch is you have to hold a certain amount of the launchpad's tokens. For example, here on DAOmaker, to have been eligible to invest in all of these, you would have to have held thousands of dollars worth of the DAOmaker token. But with this upcoming launch, they're doing a public show, meaning anyone can potentially invest without needing to have any DAOmaker tokens. Here is the Hubble website. Supercharge your liquidity on Solana. So this project is on the Solana ecosystem. This project has huge potential. Just look at these backers. Go through this website and do all your necessary research. But today I'm here to show you the 4 simple steps to take to give you a chance of investing in this project. Firstly, go to DAOmaker.com and scroll down to here. Then you will click this, research and participate. That'll bring you to this page and you click this, participate in public. That'll bring you to this page, the 4 simple steps. So sign in or click this to create an account. So that is step 1, signing in. Then you need to connect your wallet. You have 3 options, MetaMask, any of the Wallet Connect wallets, and even Coinbase. Step 3 is they will verify whether you hold a minimum of 2,500 tokens, any token. This is to make sure there's no cheaters making multiple wallets to increase their chances, so this keeps things fair for you. But if you hold any of these tokens, you will increase your winning chances. And the last step will be to complete your user identity verification, know your customer, which doesn't take long at all. However, once you've done that, there is one final step, and that is to input your Solana address, as this is where your tokens will be airdropped into. If you don't have a Solana wallet, you can download one and create a wallet. The most popular one is Phantom, and it operates the same as all the other wallets you're probably used to. And that is it. You will now be registered to participate in the show, and it'll show you the percentage chance you have of winning an allocation. This public show ends soon, so if you're interested, be sure to sign up ASAP so you don't miss out. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer, or feel free to reach out to me on Twitter. That'll be the video for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.